This is a message from the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. If you are receiving this message, you may be in danger. It has come to our attention that the local area you are within will face an asteroid strike and may be heavily damaged. This asteroid is too small for any of our countermeasures to repel. We are unable to accurately predict where exactly this will hit. You should immediately proceed to shelter in place or evacuate immediately as soon as this alert is broadcast. This is the end of this message. It is believed the meteorite will hit in 3 hours.
This is a message from the United States Department of Defense, United States Department of Homeland Security, and National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is a nationwide alert. An immediate space order has been put in place. A curfew of 8 p.m. is now in place. This is a nationwide emergency. An extraterrestrial invasion has begun. All in the area should report to their nearest military base. Tune to a battery-powered radio to hear this broadcast without extraterrestrial interference.